Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we'll discuss question answers of the chapter Dashrath Manji, the Mountain Man. In this tutorial, we'll discuss part A given on page 97. And remember one thing, you have to do this part in books only. So, these are our questions. First question. Having toiled in Dhanbad for many years, he returned to Gehlor and wedded Falguni Devi, with whom he had fallen in love. Later on, he discovered that Falguni Devi was the same girl he had been married off to when he was a child. So, this is the extract from the chapter. Now, question number one is who is he? Having toiled in Dhanbad for many years, he returned. Who is he here? He is Dashrath Manji. Where did he return from? So you can read these three lines and you can easily find out the place. The place is Dhanbad. And remember one thing, you have to change return into returned because the question is in past tense and you have to write past tense. So he returned from Dhanbad. What did he find out? So he got married to Falguni Devi. After that, what did he find out? So again, read three lines, and in the three lines, you can easily find out your answer. So our answer is he discovered that Falguni Devi was the same girl he had been married off to when he was a child. Okay, so this is your question number one. Now let's move to question number two. He was working in the fields when she suddenly tripped while climbing the hillock. Tripped means to fall down. Okay, who is she? So, who fell down from the hill? Of course, Falguni Devi. Okay, she is Falguni Devi. Where was she going? Now read the above line and read the last three words up the hillock. So she was going up the hillock. Who was working in the fields? Obviously, Dashrath Manji was working in the fields, and Falguni Devi was going up the hill to give him food. Okay, so Dashrath Manji was working in the field. Question number three. A villager approached Dashrath and informed him about the mishap. Mishap means accident. Grief stricken, Dashrath rushed to the spot and took her to a hospital which was 70 kilometers away. So, question number one is what was the mishap? So, what do you know about the accident? So, we have already read in the chapter when Falguni Devi was climbing up the hill, she fell down from the hill. Okay, this was the accident. So, Falguni Devi tripped while climbing the hillock. Okay, the mishap was that Falguni Devi tripped while climbing the hillock. Why was the hospital 70 kilometers away? What was the reason? So reason was that there was no passage in the hillock. Okay, the hospital was too far because there was no passage in the hillock. So C part, what happened when they arrived at the hospital? So when they arrived at the hospital, now try to recall the story, what we have read in the story. When they reached the hospital, the doctor declared Falguni Devi as dead. Okay. When they arrived at the hospital, the doctor declared Falguni Devi as dead. Now, question number four. When his father and other villagers learned of his resolution means decision, they tried their level best to dissuade him from pursuing this path. They listed a number of reasons to argue why the plan would not work but it was all in vain. So what was the resolution? What was the decision that was taken by Dashrath Manji? So he took decision that he would create a passage in the hillock. Okay. His resolution was that he would create a passage in the hillock. Why did they try to stop Dashrath? When his father and other villagers they came to know about his decision, they tried to stop him. What was the reason? The reason was that they thought that it was an impossible task. Okay, so they tried, tried to stop Dashrath because they thought that it was an impossible task. C part, did they succeed in their effort? No, they did not succeed in their effort. And last question is, at last in 1982, he did what he wanted to do. So what did Dashrath do? So now think about the resolution of Dashrath, the same task he managed to do. So he constructed a path. Okay, he constructed a path in the hillock. So what did Dashrath do? Dashrath constructed a path in the hillock. How long did he take to do it? I told you when we were reading chapter that he started his work in 1960 and he completed his task in 1982. So you can count the number of years. So he took 22 years to do his work. Okay. Who helped him and why? So the villagers helped him. Why? Because of his dedication and determination. Villagers helped Dashrath Manji because of his dedication and determination. Okay, so this is the end of part A. I repeat, do not write these questions in your notebook. You are supposed to write these questions in your books only. I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care.